On top of the fridge, unscrew and remove the upper hinge cover. Unplug and disconnect wire harness. With a 5/16 inch socket bit, remove the bolts securing the upper hinge to the refrigerator. Carefully lift the door off the bottom hinge. Install the new door by positioning the door to the bottom hinge. Reinstall and secure the top hinge into the refrigerator by hand threading the 4 bolts. Next, tighten the bolts. Then reconnect the wire harness. Place and secure the upper hinge cover to the refrigerator. Check the door for proper functionality.